Hello everyone, thanks for joining Salesforce internship program. Today we are at episode number 9. Let's discuss about episode number 9, what we are going to do. In episode 9, we are going to discuss about to update the search layout and the list view for the following object that we have created. As we have created pet, we are going to update all search layout and including the list view, which is a recent view or all view for pet, and same exercise we have to complete for application request, quote object and agreement object. So what is the purpose of doing this exercise? Let me explain you. Let's navigate to the tab of Salesforce. You can open any one of the tab. If you click on pet tab or code tab or agreement tab, you will see I cannot see the full detail of the pet, like the pet name, the pet ID, their microchip ID, their name, their vaccination status, their age, etc. So in order to see the default view, which we call a recent view, you need to add these columns in this particular list view, including the all list view. So this exercise we need to update for all object. So let's complete this exercise. Let's start with the pet object. So we are going to click on a pet, click on wrench icon, go to the setup, click on objects manager, go to the pet object, click on pet object name, click on search layout, go to the default layout of the search. In this pet name, what we need a breed, color. Let's add breed, color. We need to add age in weeks and adoption status. Age in weeks, adoption status. We need to add microchip ID, mom and dad. Microchip ID, mom and dad. We can also add their gender, their health status, and let's see what else, and vaccination status. So gender, health status and vaccination status. Gender, health status and vaccination status. Once you are done, click on override search result column for all users. Just tick this checkbox and hit save button. I think probably we can add only 10 fields. Let's remove and see. Alright, so we are done with our, so we are need to add till health status, as we can only add only 10 column. Once you are done with this change, let's refresh this tab. Now if you see in the recent view, you will automatically see all the columns listed here. The recent view, which is tag, which is associated with the search result layout. So this is the search layout you have to update for all object. Now in order to update the list view of pet, select all list view, click on a wrench icon and select the field to display. As you know, as we have added pet name, we need to add a breed, color and age. We are going to add a breed, color, age, adoption status, microchip ID, adoption status, microchip ID, mom, dad, gender and health status, gender and health status. That's it, and click on save button. You see, I can see all the column which is available in my all list view for the pet. Then same exercise we need to do for application request. Let's go back to our object manager, search for application request, go to the search layout, and in the default layout just try to select application ID, first name, last name, email ID, mobile number, address city, address state, breed requirement, and requirement description. Add from this available column the select field column, select override and hit save button. Once you are done, let's move to the tab called application request. So you see the recent view has all these columns. Now select the list view. All list view, just click on a wrench icon and try to add all the possible field and hit save button. So I have done for pets and application request. Let's move to the another object called quote. We need to do the same exercise for the quote object. Let's select the quote object. Go to the search layout. Click on default layout. Click on edit button. Now in the quote we need a quote number, account and contact. We need account which is a customer and the contact which is a contact person. Then we need status, application request. We are going to select status, application request, billing address, billing city, billing state, and breed requirement. Select these columns, add to the override checkbox and hit save button. Now go back to the previous tab, select a code tab. You see my recent view is now updated. Click on all list view. Let's complete the exercise for selection of the field for all list view. Here what we say, we need to add account, contact, status, account, contact, status, application request, city, state, and breed requirement. Once all column is added, click on save button. Now you see the all list view column has been added. Let's move to the another tab, another object called agreement. Go to the object manager, select agreement, object, click on field and relationship, click on a search layout. Where is that? Let's see. Let's update the first agreement tab, the list view here. So in this we need to update the agreement number, agreement date. I am going to add the agreement date. Agreement number is already there. We are going to add the application request and customer. We need to also add a quote number and customer sign date. And hit save button. You see the my column is updated for all list view column. Let's see how we can update the agreement search layout. So after you are done with this exercise, let's will talk in detail about our next episode. Thanks for joining our Salesforce internship program. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.